So, hello everyone, my name is Ravindra. I welcome you to this series Learn with Me Microsoft Power BI. So, today we are just learning, we are creating our first Power BI visual. Okay, so this is our first visual, and also we just practice our old concept that we learn in the our previous video. Okay, with new data and some of them with new features. Okay, so let's I showcase to you what we will do. So that first chart will generate. After that, we will create this type of visual, and also in the data we will connect the multiple sources. Like if you see here, so some of the sources we will add also, and some of the steps we are make it more smoother by using Power Query. So let's we jump to our Power BI report. So I simply close this. So first I just delete this step, okay, and just go to the transform data. Okay, so in the transform data, I fastly recap all the things. Okay, first we are just connected our data source. That name was sales raw data 2017. After that, first this is our source. Okay, in this format we get our data. If you see here, okay, so in this like some of the rows are not useful, so we just simply remove the top rows. After removing the top rows, we have promoted the this row, okay, first row as header. So it will convert to the header. Then we simply remove the blank rows, okay, by selecting the order unique value. After that, we remove the duplicate from the unique column, same column. After that, we simply filter the rows, okay, means NA values we are removed. Okay, if you see in the previous step, so NA values are showcasing here. Okay, so this NA values we are remove here, filter rows. Okay, after that we simply rename the column. Okay, this column we rename, you can be see. After that we filter the one more time blank rows, okay, that are not required. After that we change the type of our column. Okay, so this is before that text format, so we just convert this to the number. Okay, so after that we get thousand, okay, unique rows. After that we simply remove this column 3 is not required to us, so we simply remove that. So table, remove columns, change type column 3. After that we simply change the type with the local. Okay, so we simply change the order date, okay, with the United States. Okay, here you can be see all the queries you can be see in the formula bar, okay, which you are perform. So just follow the formula bar as well. Okay, after that we change the order date to column. Okay, then we replace the values of the sales. Okay, in the sales we replace some of the values. Then we change the type of the sales revenue to the fixed data type. So in this change type, we simply change the revenue to the currency type. After that, we change the replace values. Okay. In the promo bin one, okay. So here is, if you see, our previous text is very low, that we converted to given some of the pace in the very low. So it will look good. Okay. After that, we change the type with the local 2. By using change type 1 and change type 2, we simply just change the date format of delivery date and delivery date format 2. Okay, so simply let's we recheck our all the data. Okay, yeah. So all the data we are converted. Simply we just go to the home tab, close and apply. After close and apply, we will land to this type of interface here. Okay, so simply what we'll do, we will go and select the stacked column chart from here. Okay, just by clicking on that, you can be see our chart is added in the canvas. Okay, so for now here is one of the option is showing fit to the page. Use this option. Okay, it will be fit completely to our page. In this scatter chart, what data we have to add? If we have to add the revenue, okay, simply click on the revenue. Okay, so if you see, our data is showing here. Okay, here in the right hand side corner, here is one plus icon is showing. From here you can add the all type of visuals. Okay, I suggest you to add all the things. Okay, because it will help you to switch efficiently. Okay, so simply just add all the thing. After that, just go to the build a visual. Okay, from here we can simply y- just clicking on the sum of revenue, we can convert it to the sum, average, minimum, count, dev, or xyz. Okay, so this type of thing we can be do. For now I just make it average. Okay, but let's we make it to the sum for now. And we let's add one more here, stock as well. So stock we will add in the x-axis. Simply drag and drop feature you can be use here. So stock we are added in the x-axis, so you can be see or graph is change according to that. So this is our first visual that we are created. Okay, I hope you just enjoying and learning with me. If you have some of the questions, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, so we are learning entire whole the visuals here. Okay, one by one. Okay, for now we simply cover one more topic here. Okay, in our next video we are just by using power query, shape our data in more beautiful way, and see some more features of the power query in our next video. For now, keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring with me. Thank you friends, have a nice